Today is Friday, and Friday is my work from home day, my Messina day. I sometimes find it difficult to concentrate because it is a day where I have free reign over what I do. And so what I like to do is try and write out a plan so that I know what I should be doing throughout the day and when I should be doing it. It also helps me to plan out important things that need to be done, so that I can prioritize my time. It also helps me to remember to take the breaks to eat. Having ADHD means that I can get into hyperfocus really well and forget to go to the bathroom, forget to eat. So putting in those on paper helps to get it into my head, and it also reminds me because the paper is there next to me. I'm not saying this works every single time, but it is working a little bit. It does help. So yes, I am writing out what I need to do, when I need to do it, how long I have to do it. It also allows me to see what areas I can work on the next day if I need to, so that I don't feel pressured to finish everything today. Sometimes you can write all of these things down and get maybe one or two things done, and that's what your capacity can do. And this is how I am able to manage my life. Thank you for watching.